The backlash is here. Digital fatigue is real. In 2025, the money isn't in chasing the next shiny tech trend, it's in looking back. The future will be built by those focusing on the analog aesthetic. I'm about to decode 3 retro filter secrets hidden deep inside CapCut that almost nobody is using correctly. And stick with me, because I'll show you exactly how to build your own $1,000 a day analog AI agency using just these simple filters. First up, the high-priced VHS aesthetic. This is secret number 1, selling CapCut's VHS effect as a premium, niche marketing service. Think about it. Brands are desperate to tap into nostalgia, and they pay top dollar for ads that feel authentic and retro. So here's the play. Open any video in CapCut, apply the VHS retro filter, and then layer on some analog noise. That's it. It's literally a 10-second job. Now you take this skill over to platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and list it as a premium retro conversion service. You can easily charge $50 for this. What does that look like in practice? It's 1 minute of template work. You find 5 clients a day, and you're already making a solid passive income. You're not just editing a video, you're selling a feeling, a memory, and that's what commands a premium price. Now for secret number 2, creating and selling digital digicam photo and video kits. The obsession with early 2000s digicams is exploding, especially with Gen Z. But here's the thing, actual vintage cameras are getting expensive and are a hassle to use. This is where you come in. Using your phone and CapCut, you can replicate that exact look. Dive into CapCut's retro filters, think Lomo, faded and indie, and transform ordinary phone videos into that sought-after, slightly blurry, flash-heavy digicam style. The next step is to bundle these. Create retro kits on platforms like Etsy. You could sell a 50-pack digicam look filter bundle, for example. The beauty of this is its scalability. You create the filter pack once, upload it, and you can sell it hundreds, even thousands of times without any extra work. You're selling a digital product that meets a physical trend. And finally, secret number 3, monetizing chillwave and synthwave music video art with auto-editing. If you've ever been on YouTube, you've seen those lo-fi beats to study to, or synthwave to drive to channels. They rack up millions of hours of watch time. What do they all need? A constant stream of continuous nostalgic-themed video art to go with the music. This is where CapCut's AutoCut feature becomes your secret weapon. You take a long synthwave track, either one you have the license for or one you create, and upload it to CapCut. Choose your collection of retro-style visuals, maybe some grainy cityscapes or old driving footage. Then, let AutoCut do the work. The app will automatically sync and edit your visuals to the beat of the music, creating a seamless, professional-looking music video with minimal effort. You can then upload these videos to your own channel, combine them with your music license, and start earning passive income from ad revenue and streams. You're essentially creating a visual atmosphere generator. So let's recap. The world is tired of the hyper-polished digital look. It's time to exploit that digital fatigue. Analog AI is shaping up to be one of the cleanest and most accessible money streams for 2025. You have the tools right on your phone. Start applying these 3 retro filter secrets today. Sell the VHS effect, bundle digicam filter packs, and auto-edit chillwave videos. The opportunity is right there waiting for you to grab it. If you want more insights like this, make sure to subscribe to our decodedlog channel right now. We're breaking down the trends before they happen. Thanks for watching.